Hi, welcome to another video. This is the last piece in our fall Thanksgiving party arrangement series. It's going to be a buffet arrangement. I'm actually going to make a pair of these in these gold urns. What I've done is greened in with the viburnum and maple. So let's get started. I'm going to first set lines with the berries. I have the cotoneaster and this orange cotoneaster berry. I'm going to cut a length of it off to use. Let's see, I'm trying to think how long I need it. I think this is good, maybe a little bit too tall. I'm going to remove the berries on the bottom so that we can get this into the foam. I think this is about right, maybe a little bit shorter. I can't make this too tall because she's got chandeliers on her dining table, so we have to be mindful of that. That's nice. We'll set a line there, and let's cut this blunt tip off. Okay. Ooh, these are hard stems to cut. And do another piece here. Okay. At a different height. Okay. Let's see. Got this cotoneaster, really pretty. I'm going to make sure you remove the laterals on the bottom so you can get this into the foam. Okay, that's really pretty. I love the fall berries. This would be beautiful just in like a pitcher or something. Just something casual for your kitchen. That would be really pretty, just to have the berries. Okay. There's another piece here. I don't know, where should we put that? About there. Okay. I think that's good for now. And we'll add some more in on the sides. There's a nice piece here. I'm going to go ahead and put in here so I don't waste it. Okay. All right. Then we're going to put in our hydrangeas. We have these big, beautiful purple hydrangeas. Gorgeous, gorgeous hydrangeas. They look like they will last weeks. They're just really, really nice. Set them here. I love using like eggplant or purple in fall arrangements. It's just really rich and beautiful. Kind of unexpected, but I like the jewel tones for fall arrangements. Okay, got the 3 purple hydrangeas here. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to add in roses. We have 5 of the Freedom roses in this velvety red with huge heads. This is a gorgeous rose. My favorite red rose, Freedom. My client loves red, so we're going to do lots of reds in here. That's going to be the main color for the arrangement. Red berries, the red roses, and the beautiful red coxcomb. Look at these. Amazingly beautiful velvety red coxcomb. And they're huge. Look at that. Almost the size of a hydrangea. The stems are sometimes odd shaped. This one's like totally flat. Almost looks like a stalk of celery. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful coxcomb. See, lots of reds in here. That's my client's favorite color. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to get it in there without breaking the stem. Sometimes the coxcomb stems are like they're stiff, but then easy to break. Okay. Okay. We've got our reds in here. Very pretty. I'm gonna move this rose. It's just too close to the coxcomb. There we go. That's gonna be good. All right. Next, we're gonna add in that Kahala rose that I like. I'm just gonna add a couple of these. It's sort of a peachy orange, light orange colored rose with sort of an amber tint to it. It's a very unusual rose. I think it's beautiful. Okay. And then we've got that Rockstar rose. There's a couple of Rockstar roses in that salmony papaya color. I love this. Totally new rose to me. Wasn't sure I was going to use it or not, but I just love that color. I thought it would be fun in here. Kind of unexpected, but it's going to pull the whole thing together when I put in the orangey salmon snapdragons. These are the beautiful orange snapdragons. They have a little bit of a pink tip. Love this. These are nice snapdragons. I had to run all around market looking for snapdragons. They were not very good this week for some reason. Usually you can count on, lots of vendors having lots of snapdragons in all colors. But this time, not really. But I did find some really great ones. This vendor was open very late, and finally he opened and he had all these still unbundled. They just came in from wherever he got them. So I was the first one. Had first dibs on these. Then I'm going to add some throughout the arrangement, just to repeat that color and that really fun texture. I like the pointy tips of the snapdragons. Didn't used to use snapdragons a lot, but now I love them because they come in so many colors. They're so versatile. The only thing is they're called snapdragons for a reason. The tips can snap very easily, so you have to be very careful in delivery. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay. There we go. Mostly done. Then I have 3 stems of this beautiful garden spray rose, this apricot-y color, apricot yellow almost. They look like little tiny David Austin roses on a spray, and these really long stems. I was like so happy to find them. They're beautiful. Very expensive, but I think they're worth it because I think this spray rose in here is just going to make all the difference. And this lighter color, I think, will brighten this whole thing up. Because it's not a yellow, I think it looks great with the red. It has like an apricot-y center, so there's a little bit of light orange in the center of this rose that I think would work well with our fall arrangement. Isn't that beautiful? There's really no rules about color. Sometimes you just have to have a sense of what will look great. Okay, we added that in. And then we have this beautiful celosia in this plume-like, feathery-like plume. I'm going to add this in. I was going to go with a burgundy snapdragons, but because we're using these, I figure that's sort of redundant. We don't need another sort of burgundy pointy flower, so I went with the orange. I think that might be too tall. We'll see, we can adjust it later. Or maybe I'm just too short to reach it. Okay. Beautiful plume. I think this Kahala rose getting lost in here. I'm going to pull it up a little bit. There we go. Okay, and last I'm going to add in a little bit of filler, but it's not a filler flower. It's this beautiful material called agonis. It's a brown grass-looking material. It's like chocolate brown. I think it's beautiful in these fall arrangements because that dark color really goes well with these jewel tones, and the texture is really unique. Okay. I'm sort of adding it around the perimeter first. I like how it just kind of amplifies the arrangement, makes it look bigger all around. And then I will add some throughout the arrangement so that it doesn't just go around the edges. It's not, it's a little too tall maybe. Shorten it a little. Almost done. I think I'm going to shorten this celosia because I want the berries to be the tallest point. So I'll make this a little shorter. There we go. All right. Let's see if we need to hide anything. Add these bits around the edges here. Almost done. And we're done. This is a beautiful large buffet arrangement. We're going to be doing a pair of these for my client to go on her buffet table. I'm going to turn this around so you can view it from all sides.